Hi, I'm Doug from Netmon. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the basics of the Wireshark user interface. Right now, we're looking at the main view of the Wireshark application. Like most GUI applications, Wireshark gives a little bit of screen real estate to menus and toolbars. There's a menu bar along the top of the Wireshark window. The menu bar gives you access to virtually all of the functionality of the application through the different menus on the menu bar. Below the menu bar, there is a main toolbar that gives quick access to the most important features of Wireshark. Finally, there is a filter toolbar that's used to filter the traffic in our traffic capture to just get at the information that we want to see. I'll show you how to use the filter toolbar to filter traffic in just a moment, but first, I want to finish the high-level tour of the main interface by talking about the interface panes in the main application area. In this case, the panes are stacked vertically, but we can change the layout of Wireshark to include 1, 2, or 3 of these panes, and we can decide how they are going to be laid out. They're vertically stacked here, but we can also choose from a number of different layout options. For this demonstration, I've used Netmon to pull a traffic capture from a working local area network. If I want to examine syslog traffic only, I can use the filter toolbar to quickly filter the traffic capture so that I'm only looking at the information I want to see. The packet list pane shows all the packets in the current capture file, unless the capture is filtered, in which case it shows the subset of packets that match the filter criteria. Wireshark has plugins called protocol dissectors, which are used to analyze different kinds of network traffic. Information about the packet is listed in the packet list pane and the packet details pane. On the packet list pane, you will see only the information from the highest level dissector. For example, syslog is an application layer protocol that uses UDP for transport. When we look at the packet list, we see the summary information for the syslog application layer protocol, not the information for the corresponding UDP packet. Dissectors can be enabled or disabled with the Enabled Protocols dialog box, which is accessed using the Enabled Protocols item from the Analyze menu. The columns that are displayed in the packet list by default are the number column, which is the number of the particular packet in the capture file. This number won't change even if you filter the traffic. As you can see here, there are gaps in the packet number sequence between syslog packets. The intervening packets don't match our syslog filter, but the sequence numbers stay the same. Next up is the time column. This column displays the packet timestamp. Time display format can be changed on the View menu. In this case, we're looking at the time since the beginning of the capture. The source column shows the source address where the packet comes from, and the destination column shows the address the packet is going to. The protocol column shows the protocol name. The length column shows the length of the packet in bytes, and finally we have the info column, which displays information about the packet content from the protocol dissector. In this case, we can see plenty of detail about the content of specific syslog packets in the info column. Below the packet list pane, we have the packet details pane, which shows full detail on the currently selected packet in the packet list. The packet details pane shows information from all of the relevant protocol dissectors. Right-click on an element in the details pane to see the actions you can take based on packet contents. For example, a display filter can be created based on the currently selected item. Finally, the packet bytes pane shows the raw content of the currently selected packet. This information is shown in two formats: a hexadecimal representation of the bytes on the left, and a text representation of any ASCII data contained in the packet. Clicking on a section of the packet will highlight the corresponding item in the packet details pane. Finally, here's how to customize your view of the user interface. Toggle the main interface panes off and on by clicking on the corresponding item in the View menu. We can turn on and off the packet details and packet bytes pane, showing only the packet list. To rearrange the layout of the interface panes, choose Preferences from the Edit menu and click Layout in the menu at the left side of the dialog box that pops up. Customize the pane layout and pane contents to suit your needs, then click OK. Okay, that concludes this tour of the user interface of Wireshark. Thanks for watching.